Its nature. Natural anti-aging with Dead Sea minerals, keratin. Aromatic, richly scented shampoo for men. Contains keratin to restore and protect hair, revitalizing the scalp and helping strengthening hair. Keratin Colombian Coffee Shampoo for men maintains the scalp's pH level. The shampoo contains aloe vera, Dead Sea minerals, papaya extract and vitamins. Effectively cleans hair, leaving hair feeling soft and supple. Enriched with 33% moisturizers. The shampoo also contains concentrated extracts of mango, pomegranates, green tea, kiwi, oblipica, and vitamin C. Advantages: cleans easily and thoroughly. Keratin Colombian Coffee Shampoo for men can be used daily on every hair type. The shampoo replenishes and moisturizes hair, and contains keratin that protects and restores hair, coating hair to protect it from environmental pollution and the sun. Hair is left shiny, smooth, and silky to touch. Instructions: pour a small amount of shampoo into the palm of your hand and thoroughly shampoo wet hair. Then wash out with streaming water. HERA Clear Hydrating Shampoo with keratin sulfate and paraben. Gently cleanses while infusing hair with argan oil, keratin, fatty acids, proteins, and other nutrients. Salfate-Free, Paraben-Free. Bring back life and luster to your hair with the Arganmidas Moroccan Argan Oil Clear Hydrating Shampoo. Infused with argan oil, rich in vitamin E, and hair strengthening keratin, this shampoo is specially blended to help restore health and shine to your hair. Completely safe for color-treated hair, this shampoo is a great moisturizer for both hair and skin. Bring back life and luster to your looks. A little will go a long way in this 300 ml bottle that will have your hair beautifully strong and revitalized. Organics, Ever Straight Brazilian Keratin Therapy 14-Day Express 3.3. Reduces up to 95% of curl and frizz for 14 glorious days. Last up to 14 days. Beauty pure and simple. Organic coconut oils and avocado extracts. Why love it? It's a totally addictive, hair smoothing sensation. Why you want it? This foolproof, easy to use, revolutionary system of products eliminates up to 95% of frizz and curl and cuts blow drying time by 75% for 14 glorious days. Organic's Brazilian Keratin Therapy System is recommended for all hair types including highlighted, color-treated, chemically relaxed, wavy, curly and damaged. What's in it for you? An exclusive blend of antioxidant-rich organic coconut and avocado oils along with nourishing cocoa butter combined with rich keratin proteins infuse into tresses and lock hair into smooth, straight, shiny, healthy-looking strands. Not tested on animals. Made in USA. Inor Brazilian Afro Keratin Blow Dry Treatment 200 ml. Love the product, it gave my hair a nice look and it really worked. After relaxing my hair for too many years I decided to try this product and I feel like my hair doesn't need to be relaxed no more but just needs the application of Reese treatment. I really recommend it. Legio Keratin Infused 1-Day Treatment 15.87 fl. Oz. I've been using keratin since we were able to buy it online, first Coppola's then another brand, this is my favorite. This keratin goes on so easily I can use less and it takes less time to hot iron. For the past year I started using it different than the label. I don't have time to wash. Daily Keratin by Keratin Express and A Circ, 6 ounces. The daily alternative. Smooth, shiny and frizz-free every day. Trametes versicolor extract releases natural enzymes to link hydrolyzed keratin to the most porous parts of the hair, helping to maintain a balance of protein. Argan oil works as a powerful antioxidant and UV protector that strengthens hair and helps make your color last longer. Hydrolyzed keratin protein helps strengthen hair and evens out porosity, improving the overall health of your hair.